guys, my name is Kushal Patel. I am from Golfcraft Design Team, and today we are here on the world premiere of the Majesty 100 Terrace. So today I'm going to take you on a quick tour of this boat, showing some of its unique features. She's 105 feet in length with a beam of 7.3 meters, 5 cabins for the guests, and then 3 cabins for the crew. So let's go and hop on board with all these features on here, and I'll take you through them today. Here, this is a really nice social zone. It's not about that contemporary dining area. As I mentioned, 7.3 meters of beam, but what actually is special about this boat is that you have fold-down balconies on either side, which that increases up to 9 meters. So you've got a really nice large area here. You have this nice lounge area here, which also has these retractable sunbeds at the backrest, which can be sunbathing, but also has a lounge area. But you can just see like a really nice lounge, open area here, perfect for entertainment. As we go through, you look on either side, you have the opening patio doors, which gives you that natural, the wind, the natural air. And then followed by that, you have the galley on the left side, fully commercial rated galley. You have a nice little pantry here. You have a fire rated door as well. So it's heavy and heavy duty. But then you just have a look at this. Just check this galley. So again, fully commercial stainless steel galley, perfect for the chefs. And you have the 2 fridge freezers on either side here, and then a fridge freezer section here as well. And all the appliances on this boat is high-end. We're using the high-end Miele Professional, so we're not going with none of the lower-end ones. And as you can see, the quality and everything is all done really nicely. Yep. And then let's go through here, where you can see straight down, you have your crew accommodation. So you have 2 cabins downstairs, both with bunk beds, with en-suites as well. And then forward of that, just here, you have the washer dryer. And then a nice cool feature, we have a hidden door, which takes you onto your corridor here. So as we go through, you have dedicated day heads on your main deck and your upper deck. And again, bringing the nice natural elements of the glazing. And then we're going straight into your owner's cabin. So as we go to the left side, you'll see the his and her side walk-in wardrobes, and followed by the ensuite. Yeah, so the most unique thing about this boat is purely the thing that you see behind me, which is your owner's terrace. Now, again, we're utilizing that full beam, 7.3 meters here. The large glazing windows, a nice, picturesque panoramic windows, so there's no mullions obstructing in between. And then you have all the necessities. You have this hydraulic lifting bed, and just in front of that you have some drawers, so we're utilizing a lot of space, a lot of storage. You have the chase lounger. You also have this really nice pop-up TV, which is seamlessly hidden into the forward area here. But you can just see all the curves are very organic, so that's the concept that we've gone through. You have the vanity desk just here as well. You have a little minibar fridge there as well. So all the essentials that we've actually, adapted to this boat. So stepping onto your owner's terrace, you can see it's a really nice kind of resort feeling. You have the balcony here. You have the indoor and outdoor aspect of it. You're still closed off because you have that overhead ceiling there. But something that we've incorporated is that we have skylights just forward of that. So you're bringing that natural lighting down here. For this size of vessel, it's a very unique feature. How we could incorporate something different on a forward bow of this size. You have all the anchorage here below, so the captain and the crew can just take it from here below. It's easy accessible. And then once they've anchored up, put it down, all for the maintenance. It's all seamlessly hidden away. So we head down to the lower cabins. We have 4 cabins downstairs. You have two twins forward, and then 2 doubles on the aft. Both, or I should say, all 4 of them are symmetrical. So as we enter into the double guest cabin, you see very spacious. We have nice colors as well, neutral tones, and you have the large window as well. So we're utilizing that large window to bring a nice element inside. You have the vanity desk there, and then straight ahead you have a nice TV for entertainment, and then again you have the en-suites for all these cabins. A nice little touch as well is in the corner we have the open shelf, so making it a nice little personal touch. How to have that cabin make it feel yours. That's something that we've incorporated on this vessel. A little storage cubby here, and then again we go into the twin cabins. So there's an option to have sliding beds, which makes it into a double, and then you have a very spacious double twin guest cabins as well. Yeah, so as we go through to your main corridor here, you've got the really nice fluted columns around here. You have the organic shapes You have the floating stairwells as well. So there's a lot of elements that were taken from the design and DNA from this Majesty vessel. You can see just straight above me, you have that skylight. And what that does, it brings natural lighting all the way down to your lower cabin. And just with a click of a switch, I can frost it up as well. So you're not getting too much glare. See, so you can see it's open now, and then just with a click, it frosts up. So you're not bringing in too much heat as well. This is a really nice area, again, for a really nice spot for the privatization for the chartered guests, because you can privatize this area, you can keep it more of a lounge, a very nice comfy area. You have the pop-up TV here, but again, we're kind of giving that indoor and outdoor aspect of the boat. Now what you see on either side, you have large windows, but also you can see here you have that drop-down window as well. So you're bringing the element of the natural winds in, so it goes and flows straight through. So it's a really nice feature to have. And again, this is something standard that we've kept on this vessel. To your aft area here, very nice social zone, very large and spacious. You have the dining set here. Again, these are all loose furniture, which means it is optional for the client to select based on their taste. You have a fully equipped wet bar there just behind as well. You have the fridge, freezer, ice maker, and also a teppanyaki grill. But just look at how large the space is. Now, as an option as well, we have the awnings. So you can have awning poles on either side, which also shades this area up as well. Something that I didn't highlight, but you also have these retractable sun blades here. So again, you're bringing in the natural lighting elements. On either side of the wings, you have the glasses as well, which mimics the Majesty logo, which also ambiences at night. And as we go through, you can see how spacious your walkway is. We have wing stations as well. So we have wing stations on either side, so it's very easy for maneuver and also easy on tight marina parkings. But just look at this space here. A really nice social zone here. We have the U-shaped seating here, a nice area to have some cocktails, some drinks. And then forward of that, you have what is your jacuzzi as well. So that is your key element about this boat. You have the owner's terrace just below that, but also that jacuzzi, which comes as a standard feature. And in front of that, you have your sunbathing pads. You have these lights that are scattered all around the boat, so you can close it off, and it's all seamlessly hidden away. As we go through, you can actually also see the overhang. You have the decline window as well, which is really nice for the glare. It helps with the glare and the sunlight that comes into the Helm Station. Easy access to come outside. Yeah, so as we go through to your Helm Station, you can see very minimal design. The inverted windshields help, and also with that darker tone, so you're not getting too much glare from the sunlight. Yeah, so you can see very spacious, very easy to maneuver around. It's got a full walk around area here, so it makes it perfect for the engineer to work on. You have the SERs on this MEN engines, 1900 horsepower. But again, the cruising speed of this is around 13 to 14 knots with a top speed of 20 knots. And it gives you around 1,050 nautical miles as well, based on 13 knots. As we come down to your aft cockpit, to your platform, you have the high-low platform here, 1,200 lifting capacity. But you also have this really nice bench seating here, which also flips down. A nice feature here is that we're utilizing, again, a lot of space on this area. But when you lift it up, you also have the garage as well, so you can store a 3.5 meter tender. So it's essentially a really nice spot to actually entertain. You can lounge here, but it's also, you can also utilize it as, your toys and your tenders and stuff. So, this is essentially what we have for showing on the world premiere for the Majesty Terrace. I hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to seeing you again.